Now let's talk about the next feature, which is a cherry pick feature. And this feature of Git is widely used when there are multiple developers working on a single code repository, but they all are working into the different branches and developing different features. And the best way to explain this feature is to understand this current example, which I'm trying to show you. So here onto the screen, you can see there are two developers on the left hand side, which is working onto the branch 1, and there is another developer who is working on a branch 2. And here if you see, initially when they have cloned or initially when they have started with their code, they only had two files, which is feature 1 and feature 2 in both of their branches. But they have divided their work, and the developer first, which is working on a branch 1, has decided to work on a feature number 4. And the developer 2, which is working on a branch 2, which is over here, has decided to work on a feature number 3. But eventually what happened is this particular developer, which is sitting into the branch 2, has finished this particular feature number 3. And the developer 1, which is over here, is expecting, okay, so you have finished your feature number 3, then why can't I include that feature over here into my branch before this feature is pushed to the main branch? So that's the scenario where developer 1 in the branch 1 is dependent on to the branch 2, so that he can pick that particular change or that particular feature 3 into his branch before it is getting pushed to the main branch. And this kind of a picking of a specific feature from another branch is called cherry picking. And I'm going to show you exactly how we can pick this particular feature, which is feature number 3, to the branch 1 over here using the cherry pick command. This is my GitHub repository, and let me show you the current state of the branches. So if I go onto the branches over here, then here you can see this is our main branch, which is this one. And after that, we have two branches, branch 1 and branch 2. So let's take a look onto the file content, how many files are present into the branch 1 and branch 2. So let's open the branch 1 first over here. And here you can see in the branch 1, we have a feature number 1, 2, and there is a feature number 4, but we don't have a feature number 3. So let's check where the feature number 3 is. So let's open the branch 2, and here you can see the feature number 3 is available over here. If I can show you, which is this one. Let me close that one and let me show you once again. So here you can see this is the feature number 3 available over here. And if you take a look onto the main branch, then you will not see neither feature 3 and nor feature 4. So if you go to the main branch, then here you can see there is only feature 1 and feature 2. So before even the developer push to the main branch, they want to exchange those commits so that they can inherit those changes from other developer. All right. Now, how to do the cherry pick? So to start the cherry pick, first of all, we need to identify the commit hash of the feature which a developer wants to pick. All right. So to do that, first of all, we need to understand from where we need to pick that change. So here from branch 1 and branch 2, we can easily say we need to pick the change from the branch 2. And which change we want to pick? We just want to pick this particular feature 3 commit. All right. So now what we need to do, first of all, we need to go and check out this branch 2. So to do that, what we need to do, just let's get back to our terminal. And here you can see the command which I'm going to run is git checkout, go to the branch 2 over here. Okay. So now we have switched to branch. I was already on a branch 2, but in case I can show you again, git branch. So here you can see I'm already on a second branch. All right. So I need to pick a change from a branch 2. So I was already in the branch, or if you are not, then check out that particular branch, whatever from where you want to pick. Oh, okay. Now let's get back to terminal. I'll clear the screen. Then we need to find the commit hash for that particular feature. So to do that, what we need to do is git log, and then we need to run the command one line. And here you can see the feature. So which feature we want to pick? So we want to pick the feature number 3. Okay. So here what we are going to do, we are just going to copy this commit hash from here. Just copy this one from here. Okay. And if it seems too complicated, then what you can do, you can even go to your GitHub repository, go to the branch where you are, or like a branch 2 from where you need to pick. So click on this branch 2. and here go to the commits, and here you can see this is the feature 3, and here is the commit, the same commit which you can see, which is starting with 1 2 3 5, and here you can also see 1 2 3 5, the same commit. So you can pick that commit hash from here as well. Okay, now we have copied this particular commit hash from the branch 2. So now we have done this part, we have copied the commit hash of this particular feature 3. Okay, now let's get back to the branch 1 now, because we want to cherry pick and put this commit over here. Okay, now let's get back to our terminal. I'm gonna clear the screen, and now I'm gonna check out, git checkout, and then go to branch 1. Okay, so now I have switched to branch 1, which you can verify from the command git branch, and here you can see I'm into branch 1. Now I'm going to clear the screen, and the next command which I'm going to run is git cherry pick, and after that the commit hash, which is this commit hash of feature 3. All right, copy this commit hash and paste it over here. Okay, and after that just simply hit enter, and here you can see it has now added the feature number 3. Okay, and now you can take a look by running the command ls, and here you will see all the file, feature 1, feature 2, feature 3, and feature 4. Okay, now the commit we have cherry picked from branch 2 to branch 1. After that, what we need to do, we just need to perform the git push. So here I'm going to run the command git push over here and hit enter. And here you can see the change has been pushed into the branch 1, okay, which we can verify. Now let's get back to our browser, and here go to the branches. Go to the branches over here, go to the branch 1, and now we should have a feature number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So click on this branch 1. And here you can see all the files are available over here, which you can see 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so we have cherry picked the change from branch 2 to branch 1. And here in the branch 1, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 features available. All right, now let's take a look onto the main branch as well, because on the main branch, we have not pushed anything. So if you take a look, so this is our main branch, which you can see. This is our main branch, and here you can see we are still having 1 and 2. Nothing has been pushed to the main branch yet. So this is the cherry pick feature, which is quite handy to exchange the feature between the developer before that feature made available into our main branch.